Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to check if your anti-malware service executable is genuine. Now let's go onto our task manager and see how our anti-malware works. Now if you right click on your task bar and select task manager. So as we have here, so now just go to processes. Now under processes, now you can see that we have our anti-malware here, and you can see the rate at which it is using our memory, our CPU disk. This is our anti-malware service executable. Before I show you if it is genuine or not, first of all, what is the anti-malware service executable? The anti-malware service executable is a background process in Microsoft Windows Defender service, and its main function is to provide real-time protection against malicious softwares or security threats. Let's go ahead and check if it is genuine or not. So as we have just opened our task manager, just as I show you, you can just close this. If you right click on your task bar and then just go to your task manager, it opens it up. If your anti-malware service executable is not at the top here, so you can just scroll down and find it within the processes, because just as you have seen, I am under processes. So this is mine. To be sure that it is genuine, you just have to indeed check its location to be sure that indeed that is where it should be located. So just right click the file and click on open file location. And once you open the file location, you can see that it should be bearing this name, MsMpEng.exe. If it is none other than this name, meaning it is not genuine, it is a fake anti-malware. So if this name is different, just go back to the task manager and end the task. So if it is another way to check if it is genuine is that, so let's close this, open this PC, just open this PC. On this PC now, go to your drive C. Under your drive C, now go to program files. On program files, go to Windows Defender. Now in here, scroll down and go to M column. So we have that here. So this is it, MsMpEng.exe. So this is it here. Now once you see, this is just the path at which it is located. So you have your drive C, program files, Windows Defender. So if it is not in this folder, but rather in any other folder, whether your downloads, document, or any other location that you found this file, meaning it is not genuine, you just have to delete that file and then stop the execution process while it's running on your task manager. So that is just how easy and simple it is to check if your anti-malware service executable is genuine. If you have found it on any of these locations, and just as I said, check the name. If the name is right this way, MsMpEng.exe, that means it is a genuine anti-malware service executable. So guys, if this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like. And if you have any issues or with regards to this anti-malware executable, leave it in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next one. Peace out.